Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you the tutorial to use the most awaited cover app for Android. It is only available in US till now, but somehow we have got it in India, and in this tutorial I'll be installing the app and I'll be showing you how to use the same and how does it work. So I have downloaded the APK file. If you need the same APK file, you can click the link given in the description and you can download the same. So let me start with installing the app. So this app mainly works with the lock screen of your phone, and it shows the apps which you use the most on the lock screen, so you can directly access all those apps directly from the lock screen. So you can see the app is installed now. So once if I just try opening it, the welcome screen looks somewhat like this. So in the tutorial you will see how the app works. You will see some of the icons. You just need to tap on one icon and you need to scroll it down. You can just see the app opening up. The similar way you can see, you can have some different apps and you can just keep opening. So this is the first tutorial it is showing. So maybe like we cannot use the way we want it, so let it get installed and then we'll be able to use it according to us. Well, it might be a bit hectic for you to set it up at the start. It's taking a lot of time, so let's wait for it. So this will be the home screen. You can just see it is just showing you the it is showing you some of the samples of the home screen which people use. So it will list all the most used app by you. So next it will ask you to enter your home address and the work address for the GPS navigation if you want to, and it eases down the GPS navigation once you're out somewhere and once you're trying to find some location. So it is not available for India yet, and the Indian details are not in the GPS directory, so I'll just skip it. It shows my email address by which I have logged into the Android phone, so I'll just open it up. It is setting up the cover for me in my phone. Take me there. So this is how the lock screen looks. Once the cover is installed, now the cover app is installed, it shows the kind of apps which I have used the most. Shows messaging, it shows Gmail, Google Chrome, WhatsApp, the calling function and the camera button. So whatever app I want to use, I'll just tap on it and I'll scroll it down and you can see the phone screen is up. Once again, if I just lock the phone again, and this shows the, so you can see it keeps showing you the tips. It is asking me to set up some ringer or the wallpaper. So if I just have to surf the internet, I simply need to tap on the Google Chrome icon, and the moment I click on the same, Google Chrome opens. So it takes some time to get familiar with your user interface, with the way you are using your phone, and within some days it will list the apps which you are using the most on the home screen. Apart from that, if we get into the folder, you can see there's an option panel. You can see the setup option somewhere in the top. You just need to click on setup. It shows you all the available options. It shows you all the available options. You can set up home address, you can set up work address, you can set the car out wallpapers and the settings. So once we get in the settings, you can just see the preference, kind of what kind of applications you want to see on the home screen. If you want to follow the cover app on Twitter or Facebook, if you want to share it with your friends, if you need any kind of help somewhere, if outside you have some maybe like the workplace or your friend's home and you want to set that up, you can just click on out and you can set the GPS preference for that. So there are not many features for this app, but this is something which has gone viral in no time, and for now this App is available only for the US market. It's still to come in India. If you guys want to use the same, you can place a request on the post and we'll make sure that you get a mail using the APK of this file. Thank you.